Hello and welcome to the channel. They're forecasting up to 11 more inches of snow here in the next 24 hours. So I wanted to cut this plow pile back a little bit. I was a little sloppy last time when I cleaned this parking lot off. So let's use the Cub Cadet today. Let's see how it does. The Cub Cadet is a very heavy machine, so it should have enough traction to push through this snow that's kind of packed down here. And I'll tell you, there's a big sheet of ice underneath this, so we'll see if it's got enough traction to get the job done. Any bets on how many shear pins I'm going to break? Leave it down in the comments below. I'm betting I don't break any. Let's see. If I was going to do this all the time, or if I had an area that always was iced up like this, I would put tire chains on this machine, and I think it'd do a good job. But today we're just going to muscle through it. And the wind is blowing that snow back in my face, so I put the discharge down and I'm blowing straight ahead. I'm going to try and get that snow back past the blue trailer there, so it really doesn't matter that I'm blowing close because I'm re-throwing it again. I'm mainly cleaning this off right back in here because we normally have a big trailer sitting in here. We don't have one job, we got about a dozen jobs that we do, and one of them is we go around and pick up used appliances from all the appliance dealers and then get rid of them, scrap them out. So we haul probably between 10 and 20 ton of appliances every week. So that's our way of helping the environment, recycling. Oh. And there's Parker, one of our hardworking college students that helps out with the recycling side. All right, I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to finish up here and I'll meet you back at the other end of the big snow pile. Now this time, instead of throwing the snow straight in front of me like I did before, I'm just going to blast it right into that pile and blow it up there on the top. You can't see it too well in the video, but she's moving quite a bit of snow. And boy, this ice is slippery. I have to be careful that I don't fall down, let alone be able to get the snowblower through it. But she's cutting it back, and as you can see, cutting areas there that are as tall as the housing on the snowblower. So I'm actually only cutting maybe 6-8 inches at a time, just because that ice is too slippery to push through it. Okay, that's enough of this. Well, what do you think? Did I bust any shear pins? Let's take a look. Good, 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 good. Well, you lost. Didn't break any shear pins. Alright, hopefully we're going to get more snow in the next 24 hours, and then we're going to take this Cub Cadet out and do the sidewalks with it if we do. And if you like this video, please like it. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Down in the